Hello my friends in grade 10 choueifat school. In this video I'm going to explain to you how you find the moment in a very easy way. First step here, we have to find the moment of 4 forces about pivot A and then the moment of 4 forces about pivot B. So let's start with pivot A. In order to find the moment is equal to force times perpendicular distance from the pivot. So that's the formula for moment. So to find the moment of F1 about pivot A, we draw the force like a line. So we make the force we make it a line like this. And the pivot we make it a dot. Then the distance between the point and the line is the required distance here. So clearly here the point is on the line. The distance of the point from the line is 0. So in order to find the moment, we say the force is 15, that's F1, times the distance 0. So here the moment will be 0. That's the moment of F1. Now what about the moment of F2? Moment equal force times distance. Now let's see, where is F2? Here is F2, we make it a line. And the pivot, we make it a point. Again, the point is on the line, so the distance is again 0. So here we write 20 times 0, and this would be 0. Now, let's see F3. We make it as a line, like this. And this is a dot. The distance between them is here, 3. In this case, the moment of F3 will be 30 times 3, which is 90 Newton meters. What about F4 now? For F4, we make it a line, and the distance between the dot and the line is clearly 7. So now, the moment of F4 is 10 times 7, which is 70 Newton meter. This is the moment of the 4 forces about A. Now let's see the moment of the 4 forces about B. First step, we make this as a dot, and this is F1. We make it as a line. The distance must be now here. According to Pythagoras, this distance we don't know. D squared plus 3 squared equal 5 squared. D equal 4. So this distance must be 4. Now we multiply force times distance. So moment of F1 about B is equal to force, which is 15, times distance, which is 4. 60 Newton meters. That's the moment of F1. How about now moment of F2? Where is F2? Here is F2. We make it a line, and here a point. Clearly, the distance must be 5. So the moment of F2 will be 20 times 5, which is 100 Newton meter. Now, what about the moment of F3? This is F3 here, and this is the point. Clearly, the point is on the line, so the moment of F3 will be 30 times 0, and that will be 0. Now we move to the moment of F4. So here you have the force is 10, the distance, this is the dot, the distance is the perpendicular distance always, as we said. So now the moment will be 10 times 2, which is 20 Newton meters. Thank you.